Hello dear student, I am Reshma Pontkule and today I am here to deliver a very small lecture on organic matter. But till now we discuss on the manures, fertilizer, green manures crops, sewage sludge, nutritional disorder, their functions, also toxicities and other small topics. I think our 50% syllabus is over now. So let's start our today's topic, that is organic matter, organic recycling and their composition as well as their classification, factors affecting organic matter, also microorganism responsible for the decomposition process. So start our organic matter definition. So organic matter means organic matter, it is a mixture of undecomposed and decomposed plant and animal residue and product of decaying process that have been going to for month or year. Means it material used, raw material used, that is undecomposed material, leaves, okay, or plant material, also animal residue left over in farm, that is decaying after month or year, that is organic matter. It is, and then next see the organic matter recycling or organic recycling. Organic recycling main factor is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, see the cycle of carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide in atmosphere present in 0.04% in atmosphere, that carbon dioxide required in photosynthesis of crops, and that crop are used for feeding animals, and that converted into carbon and organic matter. That carbon and organic matter also required for the respiration in stem and leaves, also again, also root respiration and soil organic matter decomposition, and also it is lost by erosion. That losted organic carbon also used for crop harvesting time because it uptake the crops. These then again these root respiration converted into carbon dioxide, means it is remove the carbon dioxide from leaf, that is transpiration process, that is the carbon dioxide cycle in related to organic matter decomposition. So see the first definition of organic recycling. Organic recycling, it is returning the plant nutrient removed by crops from the soil through the addition of organic material, or the crops residue remains after the harvest of crop is known as organic recycling. Okay, so this is definition of organic recycling. Then see sources of organic residue used for manuring. In general, that is rural sources, urban sources and industrial waste. And again sources of organic matter used for manuring, that is primary source and secondary source. In primary source, that is higher plant tissues, means it have plant material, that is leaves, twigs, stem and all over plant. Then secondary source, it animal, microorganism, there remains waste product. That is the sources of organic matter and organic residue. Some pictures regarding this sources. Then see next organic matter is some pictures that is included in the living, dead, the living and the very humus humus stabilized organic matter. In living, that is root, mycorrhiza and bacteria. The dead mean the crop residue, dead roots and microbial biomass, and the very dead, that is humus stabilized organic matter. Then see the average composition of soil. That is the pore space, that is 50%, and solid space, that is 50%. In over, water is 25%, minerals material 45%, organic matter 5%, and 25% air in soil actually. Okay. Then see next, that is in 5% organic matter. Again, their composition, the total soil biomass, that is stable humus contains 7 to 90% and readily decomposable, that is 7 to 21%. Okay. Then soil microbial biomass 3 to 9% of total soil organic matter mass, that is fauna 10%, bacteria and actinomycete 30%, yeast, algae, protozoa, nematode 10% and fungi 50%. Understand? See, firstly you can understand that is average soil composition. Okay, 100%, that is 25% water, 45% mineral material, 25% again air and 5% only organic matter. In that 50% is pore space and 50% is solid space. Then see there organic material, the mineral material again divided in 7 to 90% stable humus, to 21% decomposable material readily. In that soil organic matter 1 to 6% total soil mass, and this is their microbial biomass, that is 3 to 9%. In that 30% bacteria and other microbial percentage. Then see composition of undecomposed organic matter. Undecomposed, not a decomposed. Then undecomposed organic matter contain 75% moisture and 25% only dry matter. That is chemical compound and elemental compound. Understand? That is undecomposed organic matter. It contains 75% moisture and 25% dry matter. And then again their composition, it contains protein 10%, fat, waxes and tannin 5%, carbohydrate 60% and lignin 25%. Okay, and that protein is a water soluble and crude protein. Then carbohydrate, it have starch, sugar 1 to 5%, hemicellulose 10 to 30%, cellulose 20 to 50%. That is composition of undecomposed organic matter. Understand? Then see elemental composition. That is your chemical composition, and this is elemental composition. It have carbon 44%, oxygen 40%, hydrogen 8% and ash 8%. Okay, so don't be confused. So firstly you understand the composition. Okay, in shortly I again average soil composition means in general soil composition. Okay, this is in general soil composition. Then that mineral matter composition on the basis of your organic matter and microbial in soil. Okay, then next that is undecomposed organic matter only, and it contains this chemical compound, and this is your elemental compound in organic matter. Understand? Okay, because it is important for your last examination. Then see your classification of organic matter. So it has three classes, that is living organism means biomass, identifiable dead tissues, and non-living means humus. Then again humus classified on two classes, that is humic substances and non-humic substances. Then again humic substances have three classes: insoluble, soluble organic, and extract with alkali means sodium hydroxide. Okay, that extract with alkali means sodium hydroxide again classes into, that is humic. Humin is highly condensed complex with clays and it is treated with acid. Its have pH is only 1. Okay. Then again that treated with acid, that is precipitated and soluble. In precipitated humic acid, it is dark brown to black, also high molecular weight. And soluble humic acid, that is soluble fulvic acid, it is yellow to red or lower molecular weight. That is the soil organic matter in classification of soil organic matter. Okay, it's not much more important, but it is required in your. So today we are discussing on definition of organic matter, their sources, organic recycling and classification, as well as composition of organic matter. Okay, so remaining part of organic matter we will discuss on next lecture. If any difficulty regarding this topic, you can message me, call me. Thank you.